Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where today we'll be filming part 2 of the MacBook restoration video because look what I found. A toolkit with, where is it? There, the 3-sided screwdriver. So, let's get this computer out, unscrew it and see if we can take the battery out. Alright, so here we go, trying to unscrew this with this screwdriver. Alright, lift it up and probably just gather the screws and put them to the side just so I don't lose them. Where's the last one? Okay, it appears I've already lost one, lol. Yeah, no idea where that's gone. I'll find it later. For now... okay, hang on, I need to get the screwdriver head. Alright, I got the screwdriver head. Let's start off with the smallest one, see if this will fit. Oh, wrong one. Hang on, there we go. Alright, so I've gotten those screws out, now time to get the 3 Phillips head screws out, and then we should be able to remove the battery. Right, all removed. Oh yes, okay. Let's just pull this out. Yeah, you can see that this battery is super inflated. Just look at that. So, yeah, that's probably why it's not working. And yeah, it's leaked. It's a punctured battery. So I probably shouldn't be touching this stuff because, yeah, that is a punctured battery. Which means I need to find a way to dispose of this, because this could be quite dangerous, and I really don't want it to explode, so let's put that to the side, and let's see if we can, yeah, we can use the trackpad now. So I'm going to quickly plug this in, and see if, there's my hard drive, it's gone. Oh, I could actually probably get the metal stuff off the side of the hard drive, so I'll do that quickly. Yay, I'm successfully able to remove this screw if my hands decide to not be shaky. Yeah, I have really shaky hands if you didn't know already. I don't know why. That's one out. And... ooh. There we go, there's 2 out. That means it'll actually be able to fit in there, which means that's good. Alright, screws back in, and now plug the hard drive back in, as so, and then, hang on, I should probably get the screw out, push this in, and it's still too big, probably because this hard drive actually came out of an older computer, so this won't exactly fit. Oh, it's getting there. That will have to do, so hang on. Alright, I got it. It's this part right here. So if I put this on top of there and use a Phillips head screwdriver to get it down in place. Alright, the hard drive is in. Now let's find a way to push this trackpad down. And hopefully, yeah, that looks good enough. Okay, now let's plug it in and see how accurate this is. Time to push it up. Taking a while, taking a while, taking a while, taking a while. Just wait. There we go. Alright, laptop has turned on, and let's see if this will work. Okay, for some reason whenever I turn it on, it always wants me to sign into my network. It certainly feels a lot laggier without the battery. So just look at that mouse lag and all of that. So, I'm not sure. yeah, the trackpad seems to work just fine though, so I guess we can put the trackpad into my other computer. I'm actually curious to check the more info section on the battery. It'll probably just say battery not available. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, nothing. Anyway, let's put the trackpad into my other one. Alright, I haven't looked on any tutorial videos of how to do this, but it looks pretty easy. There's just one screw up here I'm not too sure of. I'm pretty sure it's this type of screw. This might work. Oh yeah, okay, good. Okay, that's all good. Just put that to the side, and now we can unplug this and unscrew the rest of it. So it's how's it held in? I think it's out. So that process wasn't that difficult. So yeah, here we go. Here's the trackpad right here. Pretty flat. Nice. So let's put the other one into there. Of course, we have to unscrew this. So yeah, this may take a while. All right, first part done. Now I can lift up this. Now it's time to remove the battery. Battery unscrewed, so let's just lift this out, and we can also see if this is swollen at all. If we just get this part out. This connector is such a pain. There we go. Okay, all good. And let's see if it's swollen. No, it's not swollen at all. So that's what it should look like. And this is what the other battery looks like. Quite a difference, actually. So now let's just remove the trackpad and get it replaced with this one. Alright, the trackpad is now free, I believe. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this one needs a tiny bit more unscrewing. There we go. Alright, just put that back. Yeah, okay, good. Now this is the trackpad. All removed, and now it's time to put this one in. So this should be interesting. Oof. Let's just, oh, hang on, this might be a bit difficult. Crap. I don't know where all those went. Hang on. Apart from this, I've installed the new trackpad, and it appears to be clicking just fine. And so now it's time to put the old one in the other computer. Alright, now the other trackpad is installed in the other computer, and it's also fully functional. So now it's time to put the battery back in that, get the case back on, put the battery back in, well, no battery at all actually, just put the case back on this, and then see if they both still work. I'm actually just going to open my MacBook Pro and see if the battery from that will work in that computer, so yeah. Alright, MacBook Pro all unscrewed, let's lift it off. Here's the battery, so far looking alright. Let's just remove this and take it out. And does it work? We shall find out right about now. No, I do not think so. Okay, MacBook Pro back together. Time to get these actually back together now. The battery is now back in. The rear case is now installed. And now the other computer has its rear case on with the screws that were left out because the batteries are left out. Alright, so let's see if the repair worked, and this computer feels so much lighter now that the battery's gone. So just plug this into the charger, open it up. There we go, green light. And then on. Move that one out of the way. Turn this on. Pretty solid. For those of you who were wondering what this computer is, it's one that I was just upgrading the RAM for a friend, so yeah, it's a MacBook Pro. Now, which one will boot up first? This one seems to be loading fast, so yeah. Almost in. This one on the left seems to have loaded faster. There we are in. Trackpad seems to be working as expected. Joined on that one. Oh yeah, this seems to be a lot better. Oh, this feels so much nicer. Why is the date incorrect? That's all good. The trackpad seems to actually work properly. And yeah, no more full-on hitting it to make it work, which is very good. Yeah, this feels a lot better. Sweet, so this one's functional. Let's check out this one. Now this one, for some reason it feels a lot lighter. I must have not tightened the screw enough. But yeah, you have to really press down, and the lag from not having a battery is, yeah, it's very annoying. So yeah, let's just open system preferences. It is really annoying. And it's a bit slow as well because, like I said, I switched the RAM. Well, I upgraded the RAM in that computer for a friend, but the RAM came out of this laptop right here, so now it only has 2 GB of RAM, which is quite a struggle. It should be fine though, because it's running Snow Leopard, but yeah. A few of you guys requested I do this on Instagram. Look through a couple of Minecraft worlds on this. I don't know why it opens the thing here when it's already installed. It should just begin. There we go. Oh, because the previous owner of this computer, I'm pretty sure he told me that, well, I mean the hard drive, pretty sure he told me that that he never actually installed Minecraft, he just ran it off the disk image every single time, so, yeah. Let's just hope it launches. Okay, launch, hurry up, hurry up. Whilst that does that, I'm going to turn on this because I'm working on a Gmod world, so yeah, just turn it on quickly, speaker on, bam. It takes a while because it's using a mechanical hard drive. Mistake I made when I got this computer, I didn't actually get an SSD at the time, so I've been running it off of a mechanical hard drive with an SSD as a backup ready boost thing, so that's all good. Let's just go back onto Steam, press play. And whilst that does that, this should have loaded, which it has. So 1.8, play. Let's go on the world banana. Okay, we're in. And it's very laggy. Okay. There's a beacon there with emerald blocks. I want to see if this actually has mods. Yeah, I don't believe so. That will probably be about it for the video, actually. Because there's not much else to show. I will mention that I said that these keys would be replaced. I would replace the keyboard. That's too hard because you have to take out the motherboard and stuff, so I was thinking I'd just replace the 2 individual keys. However, there's an issue. If I take off the eject key here, you will see that there is an entire key mechanism underneath, and that has been ripped off of mine, which means that I'd have to take each individual part out and try to put it back in. And I know this thing in the center is a huge pain to do, because it has to slide underneath there, which is quite difficult. but I might do it. So that would be the only reason there would be a part 3. If that video never comes, then this will be the last part. But if it does, then that means that will be the final part. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for probably more stuff like this to come in the future. But yeah, that's the video, so goodbye.